Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking stir-fried chicken with red fermented tofu or 南乳炒鸡. So let's start cooking. Now we're going to do a light seasoning on our chicken. I have with me over here one whole chicken, 1 kilogram. This is actually the frozen chicken they normally call griller chicken. So this is approximately between $4 to $5. I'll show you how to marinate this so that this will taste as good as fresh chicken. We add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, add in also 2 tablespoons of rice wine. Now of course if you don't take rice wine or you don't take wine, you can omit this, but this will help to remove the freezer taste, so-called freezer taste. Add in a little bit of white pepper. Mix up really well. I'm going to use my hand. Make sure that you cut the chicken into pieces like this, not too big, so that we do not really need to marinate this for long. We just need to mix this up. Once you're done with this, we'll just set this aside and I'll show you how I make the sauce. Now we'll prepare the sauce. I have with me over here 150 milliliters of water. Add in 15 grams of red tofu. These are red preserved tofu. I'll show you how it actually looks like. This is very versatile actually. You can eat it this way with porridge, which my grandmother used to have it with their porridge. This is how it looks like. You can even use the sauce to make your char siu or even to do some braising dish also. Add in 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce and also 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. These are all the ingredients. It's very easy. We'll just mix them up. Once you've mixed them up well, we'll set this aside and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Now we'll put the dish together. I'm using Shogun by La Gourmet 32 cm stir-fry wok Midori series. This is a titanium coated non-stick wok, and look at the beautiful handle. It looks like wood, but it's actually bake-like material, which is a great insulation for heat. Using medium heat, add in about 1 tablespoon of oil. Swirl the oil around. We'll brown our chicken first. Slide all your chicken in. Make sure that they are in contact with the pan or wok. We want to brown the chicken. Don't move them around. We'll brown them for about 2 minutes per side. I've removed most of the skin from the chicken except the chicken leg, which I personally prefer. We want this to be healthier. 2 minutes is up. Let's just have a look. Make sure that it's a little bit brown. If it's not, then we just let it cook for a little while more. So something like this will be good. If you can see over here, well, this is what we want. Now we'll flip it to the other side. Same thing, spread it out again. This is what we want. Really nice brown, like this. Try the other side for 2 minutes. 2 minutes is up. Now we'll add in 8 pieces of dried chili soaked. If you don't like it too spicy, you can always reduce the chili, it's fine. This will give this a very nice smoky flavor. We'll also add in 1 palm size of young ginger, sliced thinly like this. Put them all in, spread them out. 5 cloves of garlic, sliced thinly. Put it all in. As well as 4 pieces of spring onion. Putting in the white part first, or the stem first. Now we'll fry them for about a minute or so. Mix the flavor up. This is really an excellent dish. If you want it with your steamed rice or even with porridge, beautiful. We'll try to get all the flavor out from the spring onions, the ginger, as well as the chili and garlic. Once you can start to smell the beautiful aroma from all these beautiful ingredients, we'll add in our sauce. Give it a good stir first. And pour in your sauce. Mix them up first. Spread them out. Let the meat come in contact with the sauce. Put the cover on. Turn the heat now to medium low or low. And we'll slowly simmer this for between 8 to 10 minutes depending on the size of your chicken. I'll see you back in a while. 8 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, smells really, really good. Now we'll turn the heat up to medium high or medium. Give Give it a good stir first. Look at the beautiful color. If this is the color you want, it will be fine too, but I prefer it to be slightly darker. I'll be adding in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix it up. Right, a darker color is what I like. Beautiful dish. Now we'll thicken it up with some cornstarch solution. Slowly add them in. Thicken it up to the consistency that you like, but make sure that the sauce can coat the chicken easily like this. Now we'll add in the rest of our spring onions. Add in also 2 tablespoons of huadiaojiu or Chinese cooking wine. Give it a good mix. Beautiful dish. Turn off the flame, and now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. This with steamed rice will be really, really good. A little bit of spiciness, a little bit of savory sweetness. This is really, really fantastic. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you, bye bye.